In this video, see if you can figure out what's real and what's AI. I'm doing wagons again. Is this wagon real? No, it's AI. Is this bridge real? No, it's AI. Which one's real, the tree or the wagon? The tree! Are these a bunch of AI chickens at this chicken coop? They are AI chickens, and it's an AI chicken coop, so it would make sense. Is this wagon real? Or is it AI? It's real. This lamppost? It's real. Look, there's an AI dog. What about this wagon? It's real. Is this bridge real? Or is it AI? It's real, but I added an AI stream.
This isn't about fear, it's about clarity. Because while AI is changing everything, it's also unlocking something beautiful, a chance to raise more curious, adaptable, emotionally intelligent kids than we've ever seen. Ironically, the more AI grows, the more human connection matters. Can your child explain their thoughts, tell a story, speak up for themselves?
So I post this video of me using the earliest version of Cluely to cheat on a job interview at Amazon. I get the job at Amazon and I post the video online publicly of me using the time to show everyone, hey, look at this technology that I built that will literally let you get free six-figure jobs. It's so easy. Amazon sees the video, they get extremely upset, and then they send it to Columbia, essentially saying, hey, we're really mad at this. If you don't expel this kid, then we're not going to hire anyone from Columbia anymore. I see that letter, and I'm pretty upset because Columbia starts looping me into a big disciplinary hearing process. And obviously, I'm upset because, you know, Columbia is supposed to be training the future generation of leaders. And I thought, as like an Ivy League institution, if anyone was going to openly embrace their students using AI for various purposes that have nothing to do with the school, it'd be Columbia. But Columbia loops me in, they put me on academic probation, and things escalate, and they eventually suspend me from the school entirely. So currently, I'm on suspension from Columbia, but I think that's ridiculous.
So you think everybody needs to get with it, or they're going to be behind? Neil, what do you think? Where do you see this going in the next few years?
Yeah, I mean, I think exactly what you said, Dr. Phil. Like, I think all the clips you showed at the beginning are cases where AI is like replacing people. And I think me and Roy think there are very clearly two universes. Like the way we see it, like the way AI is going, like AI is going to replace people. Like AI is going to take jobs, AI is going to write essays, it's going to do finance jobs, law, it's going to do everything. And that's like not a good world for people. But the world we're trying to get with Clearly is like a one where AI is supercharging your thoughts. It's like a screen that supercharges what you're doing and helps people perform at a better capacity versus replacing them. And we think this universe makes a lot more sense because people are funny. Like no AI is like hilarious. Like that's not something that exists. No AI has creativity. And we strongly think like there's like a huge value in humans in a world with AI. But if humans are wasting their time memorizing facts, like people are going, like kids are going to school and studying for tests, not cheating on every test, like they're not being leveraged in the right way. They're like competing directly with ChatGPT, and that's a losing game. But we think a game that's a winning game is where people are getting charged, and that's what Clearly does.
AI can do logic. What it can't do is imagine your child's version of the world. The future belongs to inventors, dreamers, remixers. Knowing what to question is now more important than knowing all the answers. The world doesn't need more coders. It needs humans who can feel, lead, and connect. Practice naming emotions, resolving conflict, apologizing with intention. In a world of bots, Your child's ability to feel deeply and connect with others is what makes them irreplaceable. EQ.
Find the AI umbrella in all the umbrellas. Did you find it? Did you know my swimsuit is also AI? Which of these boats is AI? That one. I'm in Lake Como. Is this bridge real or is it AI? It's real. This cottage. AI. This water fountain. Real. What about this bridge? It's real, but I removed my friends to make it more aesthetic. This water fountain. It's AI. What about this cottage? It's AI. I'm in such a good mood here. This water fountain. Real. Which of these turtles are AI? Just that one. How cute. How